Hi everyone, this is Sultan with RexTheme, and this is a short video where I'll show you how you can enable your required merchant to generate product feed using Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. Now, as you know, Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce supports over 170 different marketplaces to sell your products online, and we have pre-built templates for all of those. And apart from that, you can also generate custom product feeds using this plugin. So now, as you know, there are so many merchants this plugin supports. You might not want to generate feed for all of them, right? So let's say you just want to generate feed for a single merchant or maybe a couple of them. So in that case, what you can do is you can just enable the merchants that you require and use them when generating feed. All right. So this is how you will enable any merchant that you need to generate the feed for. Now, as you can see, I have the plugin installed and activated. Once you have that, you will find this logo and it's going to be called Product Feed. And I'm on the settings menu. All right. So once you're on the settings menu, you will see that there are several tabs over here. So click on the merchants tab. And on this tab, you'll see there are a lot of merchants listed here. So these are all the merchants for which we have pre-built templates available within the plugin. Alright, so what you have to do is whichever merchants you want to generate feed for using this plugin, just look for that merchant and enable that. As you can see, some of them are already enabled. So what you can do is whichever you don't need, you can always disable them. And let's say I want to enable best list. So this is best list. I'll just enable this one. Now let's say I'm not finding something here. I have to look below. So since there are a lot of them, it takes time to search, right? So what you do is you just click on Command F, or if it's a computer, it will be Control F, and it will open the search command for the browser. So over there, you just type in the name of the merchant you are looking for, and it will find it for you. So let's say I'm looking for Trova Prezi. So I'll just write Trova Prezi, and you can see I found that Trova Prezi in this list. So if I just click on this switch here, and once it turns blue, if I wait for 2 seconds, the merchant is enabled. Now, once you have the merchant enabled, the next thing to do is to generate the feed. So just click on Add New Feed to create a new feed, and it will take you to this page where you can create a brand new product feed. So what you can see is initially you need to configure these options, such as first you need to give it a title. Let me just name it Test. And below that, you'll see a lot of other options which actually are configured in most cases. For most of the merchants you generate feed for, you don't need to change anything here anyways. All right. So for now, let me just scroll down to the feed configuration section to show you that the merchant that you enabled is on the merchant list for feed generation. So as you can see, for merchant type, here once I click on the list, you'll see that I've enabled Trova Prezi just now, and it's on the list. And I've also enabled best list. I've enabled all the other merchants there. So that's why they're in this list. Whichever ones I did not enable is not in this list. All right. So whichever merchant you want to generate feed for, go to settings, and on the merchants tab, enable that merchant. And then when generating feed, you'll find it under the list for merchant type over here. Okay. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.